I would you with things differently because like most beginners, I did not lose money because I was unlucky. I lost money because I do not understand how some games actually work. I chased pumps I bought at the tops I sold at the bottoms and I followed random advice from social media. And if you are watching this video right now, I am guessing you might be in the same place or about to be. So in this video, I am going to break down everything. I wish something had explained to me before I started crypto trading. No hypes, no get rich quick nonsense, just real practical stops that actually matters. Let's start simple. Crypto trading is basically buying and selling digital currencies like bitcoins or ethereum to try and make a profit from price movements. That's it. But here's is what nobody tells beginners. You are not just competing against market. You are competing against bots, institutions, explains, traders and people who do this full times with better. So if you think crypto trading is just buy low sell high technically, but in the realities thing timings, psychologies and risk management matters most than predictions. Section 2, my biggest beginners mistakes. When I started, I thought I need to find the next big coin. So I know kept jumping from one coin to another every times. I was green candles. If something pumps 30%, bought it. Thinks it would go up to 300% more. And what happened? I was always late. That is the first painful lessons. You do not make money in crypto by chasing moves. You make money by planning them. Most beginners lose because they buy emotionally, not logically. They see hype on Twitter's, YouTube's, and Telegram's groups. They jump in without plan, and the market punished that every single time. Sections. Why do keep buying the top? Here is something important. Markets move cycles. They do not going straight up. They do not go straight. But when a coin starts pumps, it feel like it will never stop. That's emotions phase is called FOMO, fear of missing out, and it's the most expensive emotions in trading. Why the timing you hear about a coin in viral videos or reels, it is usually already moves. Smart money why early retail traders, most beginners why late, and then they become exit liquidity for others. Sections 4. Only three things you actually need. 7:30 to 10. You do not need 5 indicators. You do not need 10 trading courses. You need just three things. I trends understandings is the markets going up, down or sideways. Risk management never more than you can afford to lose on single trade. Patience. No trade is also a positions. Most beginners lose money because they know over trades. They think doing more means making more. In reality, patience is often what makes money. Section 5, the strategy that's actually work for beginners. I'm not going to give you some magical secrets strategy.